Okay, right here we have a Lowe ceiling fan magazine thingy book, and
that's the Spanish side.
Oh, and this one is the yeah, there's a ceiling fan. 2011 collection of fans, and there's the Spanish on this side, and this goes upside down this way and along. Yeah, and this is on English side, and here are two of the ceiling fans in the book. I picked this up at Lowe's today for free. This one is pretty big, but I don't know how many inches. And this one, I have no idea. All I know is that it's a Harbor Breeze. I don't know anything about this one. Let's go to the next page. And then we got a Hunter 52-inch. Right here, it's really cool. I saw this at Lowe's before, and there are 4 more fans, not including this fan, which is really cool like this one. My total favorite is the Harbor Breeze Signal Hill from Lowe's, and that's my most favorite, and this one is really cool too. And this page, we have more. This right here is an Allen & Roth 50-inch Tilden. Yeah, that's what I said. With a remote, no chains. Just says, and I can't see a chain, so it has a remote. And I never noticed, but it's pretty cool, is that the canopy is on red. That's a very cool thing. Very, very, very cool. At the next page, no, we got this page more. And here's another Allen & Roth. Don't know. There's the thing for the Allen & Roth. 60 watts, 52-inch Harrington, whatever that says.
Harrington.
Oh. And also with the remote is the Harbor Breeze Rutherford 52-inch with shades. This, on top of the motor, we got a light there too. Like if you pull this chain one time, this light will come on. If you pull it if you pull 2 times, this one will come on. If you pull 3 times, both of these lights will come on. And this is the fan chain for, then if you pull it 1 time, it'll go on high. If you pull it 2 times, it'll go on medium. If you pull it 3 times, it'll go on low. And if you pull it 4 times, it'll go off again. Like ceiling fans are usually done. And this is pretty cool too. There's the Eatonton, pretty ugly. More ceiling fans, more Allen & Roths. Ooh, 70-inch.
Wow, that's huge.
Yeah, that's very big. Yeah.
What else?
Really big. And all these are 52-inch except for this one's is 70-inch and this one's a 54-inch. All the rest are 23-inch? What?
Let me see.
23-inch?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
It's pretty small.
And that's a 54-inch, and wait, is that the next page? No. Right here, we got some more Allen & Roths and Harbor Breezes. Ooh, we got some monte-carlos and Hunters too. But that's pretty much all the brands of ceiling fans there's in Lowe's. This we have in our house.
What is that?
Harbor Breeze, and
Bellhaven.
yeah, yeah, and it is the fan motor on this one's just like the Rutherford I just found on there, and turn to the next page. Here's a Mountain Roth, and my most favorite one is this one's the Signal Hill. Very, very cool. If it was on a red ceiling just like that other one, it would that would be the very coolest ever, I'd say. I think. And when I'm 20 years old, I will get one of those with the walls painted red. I think that will look real cool too.
How much does it cost?
Cost $159. But turn to the next page, and here is a really cool one as well. Harbor Breeze Avian. It is a Affinity from Hunter.
Mm-hmm.
All these three are really cool.
Oh yeah, 3 blades.
Yeah, and yeah, all 4 of these are very cool. And this one looks kind of silly.
Oh, that's the one where the blades come in when it's off?
Yeah, and
yeah.
There's the Harbor Breeze Meriden. You would see that at Lowe's. You would see this at Lowe's. You would see this at Lowe's. You would see this at Lowe's. And you would see this at Lowe's. This is, I could just tell this is made out of plastic.
Yeah, you'd see right through those blades.
Yeah. Harbor Breeze Tyler.
Oh yeah.
And yeah,
That's
for
7
girls. And that's my baby sister's favorite.
Sure is.
And we got home from the our hotel room, and this is the Springfield 52-inch. This is the Tyler. This is the Westminster. This one is the Builder Series Classic. All of these are 52-inch, except for this one, which is a 44.
Okay.
And these are 52 inches too.
We're almost 8 minutes.
Okay, but this book takes long, so it would take long. And yeah, all of these fans. This one is very cool. I'd really like to have that on our patio if we get a hookup on our patio when I'm 20 years old and I move into a new house. It's the upside down thing, and that's the upside down, which they speak Spanish on this page. So bye.